Hi, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make text appear vertically in Excel. Let's get started. Hello. You're watching Tech Leveler, where we break down Excel tips to make them fast and easy to learn. I'm Joanne, here with the Tech Leveler team, and today we're helping you work with vertical text in Excel. First, select the cells where you want the vertical text to appear. Then, merge those cells by going to the Merge and Center button in the toolbar at the top. If you'd like a deeper dive into merging cells, check out our video titled How to Merge Cells in Excel. You'll find the link in the description below. Next, click into the merged cell and type the text you want displayed vertically. Now, select the text and go to the Orientation button on the ribbon. Here, you'll see a few options. Choose Vertical Text for a straight vertical look. You can also select Rotate Text Up or Rotate Text Down for different angles. Need more customization? You can adjust the alignment, change the font size, or add other formatting as needed. And if you want to get creative with custom angles, check out our tutorial, How to Change Text Direction in Excel, also linked in the description. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Explore more Tech Leveler videos to master Excel in no time. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the Tech Leveler community. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.